So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view trending European stocks here on the Yahoo Finance application. So once you have the Yahoo Finance app open up on your device, what I want you to do is to go to this bottom bar and press on the Discover icon in between the news and the markets right in the middle, press on Discover. Now on the Discover screen, as of right now, I am on the Equities tab, and right below that there is the market, in this case the US market. Now if you wanted to change that to the European market, simply just press on where it says USA right here and then press on Europe. So once you're here on the Europe market, you can now discover all of the trending stocks here in Europe. So you can view the most active stocks, you can view the top day gainers, the top losers for the day, the top losers and gainers for the year, upcoming events. Basically all things regarding the European stock market is going to be in front of you here on the Discover screen, so fairly straightforward. This is how to view trending European stocks here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.